workout planner is a way to organize your own workouts and create routines while also being able to view and use other users' routines. So this is the main page. You can sign up, log in, or log in with Facebook. I'm just going to log in. Once you get to the member show page, you have a variety of options. You can make a new routine, view your own routines, add an exercise, check out all users' routines, or check out all of the exercises. So let's make a new routine. I'm going to call this Monday upper body. And you just select the kind. It's an upper body workout. We're going to do a bench press, single arm push-ups, and incline bench. And then you select the level, and we'll say that's a hard one. And then you create your routine, and you have your full routine here. So if I want to use someone else's routine, I go to check out all routines, and I have all of my options here. That, and then here down below, routines are organized into different kinds if you're looking for a specific kind of workout. Also, you can add an exercise here. For instance, say I wanted to do single leg squats. You add sets, you add reps, weight is optional, and then the kind of workout, lower body, create exercise. So then when you go and you want to edit or make a new routine, your single leg squats will be there as an option for you to add. And that's that.